Welcome to ASTA tutorial. ASTA is an application where we can create diagrams, such as simple use case diagram. I will demonstrate to you the step-by-step procedure in creating simple use case diagram. To start, click Diagram in the menu bar and select Use Case Diagram. To add a figure which represents as a user, select the actor figure, click on the workspace, and assign name for the figure. To create a use case figure, select Use Case button in the toolbar, click on the workspace, and assign name for the use case. To construct a division between the actor and the use case, select the rectangle-like icon on the toolbar and enclose the use case, which indicates the division of the two. To indicate the relationship of the two, put your mouse over the actor figure in the workspace, click the line figure that appears, select the type of association between the two, and simply point your mouse to the use case figure. If you want to add another use case figure, repeat the previous steps. Save your work afterwards.